description box. Number 2 is Snapmaker 3-in-1 3D printer. Step into the realm of boundless creativity with the extraordinary Snapmaker 2.0 modular 3-in-1 3D printer, the ultimate companion for ghost gun enthusiasts. This machine powerhouse combines the magic of 3D printing, laser engraving, cutting, and CNC carving, opening up a world of possibilities that will leave you spellbound. Prepare to be astounded by its expansive work area, providing ample room for your wildest creations. The A250T model offers a generous work area of 230 by 250 by 235 millimeters, while the A350T takes it to the next level with a whopping 320 by 350 by 330 millimeters, allowing you to bring your visions to life on a grand scale or craft multiple smaller objects in one go. But what truly sets the Snapmaker 2.0 apart is its ingenious modular design, empowering you to personalize it with various modules and add-ons. Elevate your experience with the enclosure, rotary module, emergency stop button, can hub, and air purifier, and anticipate even more exciting enhancements. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it.